Hey guys, it's Ava, and today we're going to be making slime, and my hair is like this because I went to my friend's house and it was already done, and then I did a backflip on the trampoline. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, the stuff you're going to need is obviously a bowl, or anything you want to, then something to mix with. This is the one I made earlier. Slime. Okay, so first you're going to need some Tide laundry detergent or any laundry detergent, and then glue, Elmer's glue, shaving cream, food dye, food coloring, and contact solution. Okay, first we're going to put some glue in here. Got like a clear thing kinda, so y'all can see it. Okay, and then I'm going to pour some. This just has a little shaving cream in it, but I didn't mean to. I'm just gonna pour a little bit of water this in there in it. Then I'm just gonna mix it. No, I got the food coloring in. Well, I'm not gonna do that to the end. Okay, you just mix it and it starts forming, but it will kind of look some ugly like brains. So you just keep on mixing. And then you put that shaving cream in. How much? I don't really know how much. Okay, you just keep on doing this. Okay, my phone's about to die, so I have to hurry. Like, mix it really good. Don't put as much shaving cream as I just did. I don't like to measure because I don't really like to. Ew, never put that much. I'm going to squeeze it. I know it looks horrible, but still. Just watch. Okay, then you're just going to play with it. Dang it. And then I'm going to go over the sink and just squeeze it. Just play with it. Okay. And it starts to get sticky. It starts forming, and then I'm just going to put it, it's sticky, so. Look here, got your hand okay. And it's gonna get sticky. See how sticky it is? And then I'm gonna have my assistant, Grandma.
What?
Come here. I need your help for my slime video. It's getting sticky. I want you to still hurry. Can't pause it, so. Oh yeah, come here. Okay, see the contact solution? I want you to pour a little on my hand. See contact solution?
On your hand?
You have to open it. You have to open it.
It's open?
No, you have to open it. You have to like take it and yeah, like that. Okay, I got some in my right here. This is clay. Okay, that's enough. And you just keep on mixing. She's cooking, so yeah. What are you making, Grandma?
Just a couple of patties, salted patties.
I made a little mess. Need a little more. See it coming sticking off, but a little more. That, okay, and then you just keep on mixing, I will really do this, and it stops getting sticky and gets off your hands. And I'll show you. It's liquid. Okay. Very much. Get this hand off liquidy. You just keep on mixing. That's all you do. You can keep it in the bowl, but I deserve not because I would not because like it'll make it even more liquidy. Y'all can leave it white. Food coloring is just an option. This is like an option too if you don't want it sticky. So it's kind of not an option. Like, I'm gonna put a little more contact solution. Yeah, right. Hey, ready for my slime.
Where's it at?
Watch out, I'm making a video. Look at this. You can have my video though.
Here.
Oh, you say you're sorry?
Okay.
Why I gotta be sorry?
Just thank you, man.
Okay, what I do?
Yeah, put it in the contact solution. Like, it's going to be sticky for a little. So you just gotta put a little bit more. You should put like a lot of contact solution. So it won't be so sticky. There it goes. Roll it. And then, now,
Hey, will you?
and now I'm just gonna pour this.
And you're doing so sad.
So I said, what's up?
She said, she said, what's up?
Tell him how I said it.
No, you tell them how you said, because
Okay,
you're trying to
put it in
return
my ear. I said, what's up? She covered her face up.
Oh, what?
My hand's green, so that's how you make the slime. Thanks for watching. Bye.